Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Nexo Card for payment. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use the Nexo Card for payment using the Nexo mobile app. Make sure your Nexo Card has been activated. So if you've just received it, then follow the activation instructions provided in the app. So open the Nexo mobile app, which you've done, and log in using your email address and password if prompted. Then head over to the bottom of the screen where you have a couple of icons representing Dapper's features, including Dashboard, Wallet, Market Card, and Exchange. Select Card. I will not be able to use this feature if I have not verified my identification. So go ahead and click on the identity verification button to verify your identity. After verifying your identity, get back to this window. So once you get in there, you'll be able to review your available balance and ensure, of course, while you review your available balance, ensure you have sufficient funds in crypto to cover the payment. When making a purchase, of course, crypto or fiat. Now, when making a purchase, select the Nexo Card as your payment method at the point of sale or online. If you're using a card reader, you can tap or insert your card as needed. If prompted, choose which currency you would like to use for the payment. You can typically pay with your available crypto, and Nexo will automatically convert the required amount to fiat for the transaction. If your Nexo card is equipped with a PIN, you may be asked to enter it to complete the transaction. Make sure to keep your PIN secure. Then review the payment amount and confirm the transaction. You should see a notification or receipt in the app confirming that your payment was successful. After making the payment, you can check the transaction section in the Nexo app to view your recent payments and track your spending. Keep an eye on your Nexo card balance and transaction history to effectively manage your spending and ensure you have sufficient funds for future purchases. By following these steps, you can successfully use your Nexo card for payments, enjoying the convenience of accessing your crypto assets while making everyday purchases. So you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. Hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.